So how do you write a daily task on the iPad? So let me show you some options we have. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one. So there are dedicated apps for that specific purpose. For example, I'm a user of the Google Calendar. So in my case, I like to use the Google account to use those services. And that's why for my daily task, I also like to use the Google Tasks app, which is free to download from the App Store. And as I said, it's connected with the same account. So it's also part of my Google Calendar. And in there, I essentially can set up the tasks as I like. So I just click on the plus button, write down a new task. And essentially, once I'm done, I just check it off as completed. And, that's how I can keep track of that. So I like to use it this way. And also, you can make it show up within your calendar. So that's definitely very useful. But as well, I believe you should also have that available as a widget. So you can most definitely add a tasks widget. So if you have something which you need to complete, you can add it as a widget to the home screen, and you will always see it every time you take a look at the iPad that you're about to do or you're supposed to do that daily task. But as I say, this is not the only interface which you can use. There are most definitely other to-do apps which can serve the same purpose, even fit you better. Some things like Todoist, which is like a very cool app for specifically these like to-do lists. And also we have the Microsoft To-Do and even more. So I believe it's just best to figure out which app serves you the best and just stick with that one. So for me, it's pretty simple. Let me know what you think below in the comments. For now, that's it. Thanks a lot and hit the thumbs up to let me know if you liked it. And I hope to see you later in the future videos as well.